Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Okay, if you can see this one, I want to solve the exercise 1, which is the number 1 given fx is equal to x squared plus x. Find the equation of the tangent line for one f1 and the other is 2 f2. Okay, what is meaning here? This question asks you to find the tangent line for the point of one f1 and the other is the point of 2 f2. So I try to solve this one first for point 1 and f1. Okay, you know that 1 and f1 is actually equal to x and y point, right? So that means that x is equal to 1, meanwhile y is equal to f1. Okay, so you know that the point for x is 1, but you don't know what is the point of y. So how you want to get the y is by substitute this one, which is fx. We know that x equal to 1, so f1 is equal to 1 power of 2 plus 1, which means that it is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So now you get the point, which is 1 and 2, where x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Next, you want first to find the tangent point, the gradient, the slope of the tangent. So what you will do is you will use this formula, which is the limit f(x plus h) minus fx, right? Then divide by h, which is h is approaching 0, means that what is meaning here, h approaching 0, it means that h is nearest to 0. So h, the value of h is nearest to 0, menghampiri 0. So h can be 0.00001, 0.0001, 0.00001. So it nearest to 0. So we know that we have 4 steps. Okay, the first step, is you need to find fx plus h, which is, you know that if the x is x squared plus x, so if x plus h, so this one become x plus h, so this one become x plus h, so this one it's become x plus h also power of 2, power of 2, and also plus x plus h. So I just substitute this one, x plus h, for this one. So overall, which have x become x plus h, and this also become x plus h. And after that, I open the bracket. Okay, how I want to open the bracket? First, you can see that x plus h power of 2. To open this bracket, you can be it become like this one, x plus h and multiple with x plus h. Because it's power of 2, so we have the x plus h 2 times. 2 kali x plus h. But you can use this one by open the bracket. First, this one power of 2, so it's become x power of 2. And then, which this one, 2 times x times h, which is 2 kali x kali h, you akan dapat 2xh. And after that, h power of 2, so it's become h power of 2. Okay, this is how you open the bracket. First, this one, which power of 2 become x square, and then 2 times x times h become 2xh, and then h power of 2 become h power of 2. And after that, I open the bracket for x and h, x plus h. Okay. Next, second step. You need to find that fx plus h minus fx. Right. So for this case, fx plus h minus fx is equal to, okay, I copy this one, okay, because you already get that fx plus h is this one, so I just copy this one. This is for fx, and then it's minus which negative fx, which is this one is fx, so minus x power of 2 minus x, okay, sorry, plus x. Okay, first this one for fx plus h, and this one fx, so this is fx. Okay, and then I open the bracket. Okay, open the bracket for this one, and this one, make sure this one you do it carefully, which is negative, positive become negative x power of 2, negative and positive become negative x. Okay, for this one, you can eliminate for x2, x2 which negative 2, right, x2 and negative x2, x power of 2, then which negative x power of 2, and after that h positive h which negative h. So what you will get is equal to 2xh plus h power of 2 plus h, right? So the third step is fx plus h minus fx divided by h. So you can see that fx plus h minus fx is this one. So I just copy this one. Okay. And then I divide by h. Okay. And if you can see this one, 2xh plus h power of 2 plus h, I can factorize this one, which is h. I taken h outside, and then inside become 2x plus h, and then plus 1. Okay. If h multiple with 2x become 2xh, h multiple with h become h squared, h multiple with 1 become h, and then I divide by h. And of course, you can see that you can eliminate h with the h, and then you get that only 2x plus h plus 1. Next is the fourth step. The fourth step needs you to find the limit for this one, which is h approaching 0, menghampiri 0, the nearest one, yang paling dekat, which is, you know that it is this one, right? The limit for this one is the limit for 2x plus h plus 1. Okay. And then when h is approaching 0, it means that the h is near to 0. Really nearest to 0. 0.000001. Okay. So you can also assume, you boleh juga jangkakan dia juga adalah sebagai 0. So you can assume that it's become 2x plus 0, which is h is become 0, h this one become 0, and then plus 1. So at the end it become 2x plus 1. Okay. Next, this case, we want to find the equation of tangent line, and we also get the point which is 1, 2. Okay, using this one that we get, we want to find what is the gradient of the tangent when it is x, which is x1, f1 is equal to 1, 2. So x is equal to 1. So we want to find what is the gradient of the slope of tangent, the gradient of the tangent. So m equal to this one, okay, m equal to 2x plus 1, and x is equal to 1. So you can say that the m is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. Now you want to find that the graph of the equation of the tangent. So equation of tangent line, where you get that at the point 1, 2, and your gradient is m equal to 3. Okay, you can use your formula, which is m, this one formula, m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, for this case we already get that m is equal to 3. So 3 equal to y minus, okay, because y2 we doesn't know, but we get that y1, so I assume that y minus 2, this is y minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, and after that I will move this one, x minus 1, to the left side. Okay, I will move this one to the left side. It's become 3x minus 1 equal to y minus 2. And after that, it will become 3x. I multiple inside of this one. 3 which x, 3x. 3 which negative 1 become negative 3. And equal to y minus 2. And of course, I can move this 2 to the left side. It will become 3x minus 3 plus 2 equal to y. And you already get that it's become 3x minus 1 equal to y, or you can say that y equal to 3x minus 1. Okay, which is y equal to 3x minus 1. Okay, next we want to find that at the point of 2f2. Okay, at the point of 2f2, which is at the point 2f2, which is, you know, that x equal to 2 and f and y equal to f2. So you want to find the f2, you substitute this one, which is the f2. Okay, f2, which is this one, fx. If they are 2, so this become 2 and this become 2, which is 2 power of 2. Power of 2 plus 2, and it's become 6. Okay, and then we need to follow that this again, limit h approaching 0, fx plus h negative fx divided by h, and we're already done because they are the same question, the same one. So at the end it should be like this one also, which is 2x minus 1. So what we will do is we just want to find that, okay, for this one, when 2 and f2, we get that the point x2 and then it's 6. So to find that the equation of tangent for 2 f2, which is 2 6, so x equal to 2 and m equal to 2x plus 1, this one, m equal to 2x plus 1, this one, and m equal to 2 times 2, and you get that it is 5. So for this case, equation of the tangent line is 2 and 6, and the m is 5. Okay, which is your m is 5 and y is 6 and x is 2. So I will move x minus 2 to the left side. It becomes 5 times x minus 2 equal to y minus 6. Okay, and then I multiply inside 5x, which x become 5x, and then minus 5 times 2 become 10 equal to y minus 6. After that, I move 6 to the left side, it's become 5x minus 10 plus 6 equal to y, and then you will get that 5x minus 4 equal to y, or you can say that it is y equal to 5x minus 4. Okay, y equal to 5x minus 4. Okay, now you get that the equation of tangent y equal to 3x minus 1, at the point 1, 2. Okay, y equal to 3x minus 1 at the point 1, 2. Okay, for this case, you can see the graph, which is this is for number 1 at the point 1, 2. This is the point, and this is the tangent line y equal to 3x minus 1. At the point 1 and 2, this is the point you want to find the tangent line. Okay, next is you want to find that at the point 2, f2, which is the point is 2, 6. So the point 2, 6 is here, 2 and 6, and this is the point, and this is the tangent line, which is y equal to 5x minus 4. Okay, this is one point, and this is the other point. Okay, in one question, they can ask you to find the equation of tangent line, but to find the tangent line, dia hanya, it will only involve, hanya melibatkan satu point sahaja. Jika dia bagi 2 point, if they give you 2 point, so you need to find 2 graph. Let's mean that. Okay. Next is the question number 3. Given that fx equal to x squared minus 4x, find the fx using definition of derivative of point xy when the slope of tangent is 0. Okay. What is mean that the slope of tangent is 0? If you have a graph, let's say like this one, okay, if your tangent line at this point, so your graph of tangent is become like this one, right? The straight one. So this graph, you know that you have learned the linear graph. So this is positive, right? Positive graph. If they are pointed here, you will get that linear graph, which is this is the negative one, right? Negative graph. Okay, if this one is negative, this one is positive. Okay, for the xy axis. Then how about when the slope of tangent is 0? It's not positive, it's not negative. So when it's 0, it means that the f prime x is equal to 0. Okay, when the tangent of graph is like this one. Okay, when they are straight one like this one. Okay, so it is 0. Okay, it's not negative, not positive, but the straight one has become 0. It's f prime x is equal to 0. Okay, now you get this one. You want to find, using derivative point xy, when the slope of tangent is 0, he need you to find what is the point that x and y is 0. X and y, what the point x and y when the slope of tangent is 0. Okay, there are two things. First, you can find using the peak one, because we know that when they are peak, the graph with the tangent of the graph at the peak is 0. Okay, usually when the tangent is 0, when they are the peak, because if they are like this one, when it's the peak, it's become like this one. If they are the peak like this one, it's become like this one. You can find the peak, so the point of the peak is the tangent is 0. Okay, tangent at the point is 0. You can find using this one, but I want to show you how you want to find that using the definition of derivative. Okay, The first step is you need to find that fx plus h. Okay, which is equal to, because this is fx equal to x square, x, so x plus h, this become x plus h, this become x plus h, so x plus h power of 2 minus 4x plus h. Okay, and then I will open the bracket. We know that this one x plus h power of 2, x power of 2 will become x power of 2, and then 2 times x times h become plus 2x h, and then plus h power of 2. Okay, h power of 2, and then minus, okay, multiple inside of this one, negative 4x, negative 4 multiple x become negative 4x, and then negative 4 multiple with h become negative 4h. Okay, the second step, that is you need to find that fx plus h minus fx. Okay, which is equal to, I copy again this one, this is for x plus h minus x square minus 4x. Okay, then I open the bracket, minus negative x square positive become negative x square, negative negative become positive 4x. Okay, for this one you can see that you can eliminate, which is x square x square, which negative x square 4x, which negative 4x, and then you only get that 2xh plus h power of 2 minus 4h. Okay, the third step, the third step is you need to find the limit. You need to this one, the third step, divided by h. Okay, the third step is this one, so I just copy again. And of course I can factorize it. H okay, I take out H, buat keluar H ni, H yang ini, H yang ini. Take out every H from this one, H, and then it's become, the inside of the bracket become 2x. For this one become 2x, and this one just become plus H, only one H, and then for this one become negative 4. Okay, divide by H. And of course I can eliminate H with H. Okay, and then this become 2x plus H minus 4. Next one is you need to find the limit which is H approaching 0 . Okay, it's also become limit which is H approaching 0 for x, 2x plus H minus 4. So what you will get is 2x plus, okay, for this one H approaching 0, so this value of H becomes 0. Is 0 right? Minus 4. So it will become 2x minus 4. Okay. This is the fourth step. Okay. Okay, you already get that for this one it's become 2x minus 4. Or you can also say that this is f prime x. Okay, the derivative f prime x. Or you can say that dy per dx. Sorry. Okay, is equal to 2x minus 4. For this case, we know that when the tangent of the slope is equal to 0, so it means that f prime x or dy per dx is equal to 0, right? So that's mean that this one is become 0. 0 equal to 2x minus 4. Right. So if I put this one, okay, I move 4 to the left side, it become 4 negative, move to the left side become positive, 4 equal to 2x. Or you can say that 4 divided by 2 equal to x. Okay, I move this 2 to the left side, it become 4 divided by 2 and just left x. So x can also known x equal to 2. since you already know that x equal to 2, so just substitute into this one. X equal to into this one. Okay, you will get that f2 equal to 2 power of 2 minus 4 multiple with 2. Okay, which is 2 times 2 become 4, negative 4 multiple with 2 become 8, so it become negative 4. So the point is you get is 2, 4, 2 negative 4. Okay, which is you get that the point 2 negative 4, and for f prime you get that 2x minus 4. Okay, that is the answer. Thank you.